Gotta save my money, but I need me more Louis V. Imagine not having money for Louis V. Imagine having to steal for your Gucci. But at least I'm not broke. But you're broke too. Not as broke as you. Gucci, I'm about to call deportation on you. Okay, you Gucci. Yeah, that's what I thought. Hey everybody, I'm Actors, and this is my first ever Louis Vuitton review. It's been a long time coming, and also I thought I should just do something other than Gucci. Also, I needed a new wallet, and I thought Louis Vuitton would just be badass. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. First off, Louis Vuitton box. It's so classy, I love it. And also, these things are just super satisfying to open. Like, you know you got legit Louis Vuitton when your box just slides open so perfectly. Like, I think I can do this all day. So anyways, I bought this thing from StockX, and unfortunately the seller that I bought it from didn't have the original dust bag. But that's okay because StockX was kind enough to give me their own dust bag, even though it's pretty freaking big. It's still really nice of them. So now we're gonna go ahead and take out this wallet, pop open the StockX sticker, and here it is. Anyways, this is my first Louis Vuitton anything, and my first impressions in hand was just like, the hell is this? Now this doesn't really sound like good quality to me. But we're gonna get more into this wallet because in this video, we're gonna figure out if a Louis Vuitton wallet is worth it. And right before we do anything, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I have a goal of getting 4,000 watch hours by the end of this year. Right now we're at 1,500. So any support would be absolutely amazing. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's get right into it. So first, giving you some background, this is Louis Vuitton's monogram multiple wallet. It's made out of this coated canvas, but also features stuff like cowhide leather lining. These wallets can be made in either France, Spain, Italy, or even the US. And mine happens to be made in the great US of A. And I know this because it came with this little card. This card right here tells me the materials and also tells me that it's made in the USA. Pretty neat little thing. And also this wallet retails for $495. Yikes, that's pretty expensive for a wallet. Starting with the outside of the wallet, as you can see, it has the classic and iconic Louis Vuitton monogram on it. And it's not just randomly printed on, it has the same cut in and cutout as all the other wallets. So that means we get a lot of fancy looking flowers and stars. And also the great Louis Vuitton logo is printed on there 3 times. And also something really pretty to look at is the stitching of the wallet. I mean, this thing is just done so perfectly. Like, now we're starting to see some designer quality. So once again, my first impressions was like, what the heck is this quality? But then you start to look at the details of the wallet, and that's when you start seeing the luxury. Now open up inside the wallet, we have this really light brown coated canvas. And a quick rundown of this wallet, we have 3 card holders on the left and 2 on the right. On top we have our little money pouch right here, and there's a little divider in there. Supposedly one side is made for cash and the other receipts. Never had something like this in a while before, but this is pretty cool. And lastly, there's 2 cubbies in each little card holder pouch. Yep, and I think we both know what that's going to be used for. You know what I'm talking about. First of all, on the left side, we got this little stamp right here that says Louis Vuitton. And this thing was made in France. There'll be a little made in France stamp right there. But mine was made in America, so we don't need that. And of course, once again, we just have gorgeous stitching everywhere. Yes, this is indeed a very well-made wallet by Louis Vuitton. Can't really expect anything less. And lastly, inside each card holder and also on the little money divider right here, we have cowhide leather. This way we know that our cards and cash is being stored in the most luxurious places. But Actors, is this wallet worth it? So for $495, I would say that the quality and craftsmanship is there. And at first, I really thought the quality was really cheap. And the quality did seem bad at first, but looking at it a second time, I really feel like that this canvas can actually take a beating. But then again, you can find MCM, Burberry, and Gucci wallets for cheaper, and they also have more card slots. They tell you that this is the multiple card wallet, but really, get a load of this guy. There really isn't a lot in there. I actually couldn't even fit all my stuff from my last wallet into this wallet, which was actually kind of a downgrade. But then once again, the Louis Vuitton branding and styling is all there. And I mean, all I really gotta do is whip this bad boy out and all the girls' panties drop. Does it really though, cousin? I mean, no, I'm still freaking ugly, but Still a really gorgeous wallet though. So I would say looks and quality wise it's worth it, but practicality wise no. But one thing that this wallet has compared to the other wallets though is that it's not Louis V. And to some people that's all that really matters. So my Louis Vuitton wallet, what you guys think about it? Like, comment, share this video if you enjoyed it. And last but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.